Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Cover Care and Conditioner. What is Leisure Time Cover Care? Leisure Time Cover Care and Conditioner cleans, restores, and protects your valuable spa covers against fading, discoloration, and damage caused by weather exposure. Its unique liquid formula protects your cover against UV rays, as well as repelling dust, water, and dirt. It's even versatile enough to be used on any vinyl surfaces in your car, boat, patio furniture, or spa covers. Best of all, Cover Care and Conditioner is compatible with chlorine, bromine, and biguanide sanitizers, giving you no reason not to buy with fabulous product. Product benefits: protects against UV rays, repels water, dust, and dirt, cleans, shines, and protects spa covers. Great for other vinyl surfaces such as car interiors and patio furniture. Compatible with all sanitizers. Usage directions. Step 1. Shake gently before using. Step 2. Apply liberally to the intended surface. Step 3. Let stand for 15 to 20 minutes to allow penetration. Step 4. Wipe excess product off and buff to a high luster. Useful tip: apply twice for initial treatment of spa cover. Repeated applications increase water repellency. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.